The fully funded scholarship to study in Belgium for the academic year 2024-2025 is now open for all international students pursuing their master's program. This scholarship includes a grant of €10,000 plus a tuition fee waiver for the academic year. And this grant will cover your accommodation costs, health insurance, plus your living expenses.
Hi, my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends.
And this is the Mastermind Scholarship. Call for the academic year 2024-2025 is already open. And this is by the Flemish Ministry of Education and Training for those pursuing their master's program in Flanders and Brussels. The Mastermind Scholarship includes a €10,000 grant plus a tuition fee waiver per academic year of 60 credits. And the grant is paid in installments and it covers your accommodation costs, insurances, and a significant amount of the living expenses. And this is the details to the scholarship. The duration of the scholarship is 1 academic year for a master's program of 60 ECT credits and 2 academic years for a master program of 120 ECT. The students will be awarded a maximum scholarship of €10,000 per academic year. You can click on this link to see the payment details. And here it says the host institution can ask the applicant for a tuition fee, which the rate for the academic year 2024-2025 is €131.50. So this is basically an administrative fee and the rates can slightly change from year to year. Also, there is a number of scholarships reserved for students from certain countries. These are their priority countries. If you're from Japan, Mexico, Palestine, and the USA. These are priority countries for the Flemish government, so they reserve a high number of scholarships for these countries. And to find out if you're eligible, let's click on this link here. So to be eligible for this scholarship, you should be applying to take up a master's degree program at a Flemish higher education institute. We're going to come to that in a bit. And you should have a GPA of 3.5 out of 4. And you should also have a good knowledge of English language by providing either IELTS, TOEFL, or one of the listed official language tests here. And this is open to all nationalities except for Russia. They have a special package for those from Russia. And to send in your application, this is all the steps you need to follow. The first step is to check the eligibility, which we already saw, and the next is to check the list of the Flemish institution to choose your institution of choice and also to apply for your master's program. And the step 2 is to submit your application with the host institution. And the step 3 is that the host institution pre-selects the eligible applicants. Let's click on this link to see the list of the institutions. So these are the list of the institutions and their deadlines. You can apply to this scholarship by applying to the universities or to the Universities of Applied Sciences and Arts, depending on your study program. And these are the list of the partnering universities. They have the KU Leuven, University of Antwerp, Ghent University, Hasselt University, and also the VIG Universiteit Brussels. Importantly, please pay attention to the deadlines of each of these universities because this is their application deadline. And regarding the University of Applied Sciences and Arts, they have Antwerp Maritime Academy, they have the AP University of Applied Sciences and Arts, the Erasmus Brussels University of Applied Sciences and Arts, they have the Hogent University of Applied Sciences, they have the KDG University, the Lucas School of Arts, and the PXL University of Applied Sciences and Arts. Basically, all of the applications are already open and most of them having their deadlines as the 1st of February 2024 or March 2024. And to learn more about each of these universities, all you have to do is to click on their more information. I'm going to click on more information for KU Leuven. So this is the KU Leuven's application page for the Mastermind Scholarship. Here you can see that it says they are awarding 30 Mastermind Scholarship to outstanding students taking their master's degree program, and the application for the 2024 are now open. And the deadline is the 1st of February 2024. And here you can click to read more about eligibility and the scholarship modalities. It says 10,000 per academic year plus tuition fee waiver. And regarding the application procedure, step 1 is to apply for the master's program and include the Mastermind Annex form. So you have to download this form and fill it out. And the step 2 is that you register your Mastermind candidacy by clicking on this registration tool before the 1st of February 2024, after which you'll be pre-selected for the scholarship. And once you're pre-selected, the next step is the step 4. The host institution will start the application procedure for the Mastermind Scholarship by creating your application file and the mobility online application tool. Then the step 5 is that you're going to receive an email generated by this tool and be notified of your Mastermind Scholarship. And the step 6 is that you're going to register in the mobility tool and complete your application file. You're going to be uploading the necessary documents like your passport photo, international passport, your CV, transcript of record, English language test results, letter of motivation, 2 signed letter of recommendations, and copies of acquired diplomas. And the step 7 is that the host institution will validate and submit your completed application file in the online mobility tool before the deadline of 28 April 2024. And here it mentions the applications validated after the 28th of April will not be accepted. They have master's program in 3 faculties: humanities and social sciences, sciences, engineering and technology, as well as in biomedical sciences. So these are the list of the programs that are eligible for this scholarship. So you can take your time and go through this list if you are interested to study at the University of KU Leuven. Importantly, regarding this particular university, KU Leuven, there is an application processing fee of 90 euros. So do well to check out other universities on the list to see if there is any that don't charge application fee. Similarly, you can also check out the University of Antwerp. They offer the Mastermind Scholarship, which you can see on this page, but interestingly, they also have another scholarship which is called the VIL Scholarship. This particular scholarship is for students from one of the scholarship countries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America to take up a training course or a master's program. So you can do well to also go through this particular program in case it might be of interest to you. And the application deadlines for this particular scholarship is also the 1st of February 2024 if you're applying for the ICP Connect Scholarship. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.